Go down. Diving deep into phrasal verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our intermediate grammar series on common phrasal verbs. Today, we're going to focus on the phrasal verb, go down. Phrasal verbs can sometimes seem daunting, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. So let's dive in and see how go down is used in English. First off, what exactly does it mean when we use the phrase go down? In English, go down is a phrasal verb that can have several different meanings based on the context. One of the most common uses of go down is to signify a decrease or reduction in something. For instance, we can say, the temperature is going down. Now, let's look at a few more meanings of go down. 1. To be remembered in history. We often use go down to express that an event will be remembered. For example, the day we landed on Mars will go down in history. 2. To occur, happen. It's also used to describe what happens, especially in informal English. Example: you won't believe what went down at the party. 3. To be accepted or received. In this context, go down means how something is accepted or received. For instance, her speech didn't go down well with the audience. Practice makes perfect, so let's try using go down in a few sentences. Remember, the context is key. 1. The sun goes down at 8 p.m. Here, goes down refers to setting or decreasing. 2. His joke did not go down well at the meeting. In this sentence, go down refers to being received or accepted. Feel free to pause the video here and come up with a few sentences of your own using go down. And that's a wrap on the phrasal verb, go down. Understanding phrasal verbs is a crucial step in mastering English, and you've done a great job today. Keep practicing, and soon these tricky parts of the English language will go down a lot easier. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your destination. Stay tuned for more videos in our series on phrasal verbs. Happy learning!